In this section, we'll see how we can add products to the dataset in MagiCAD ventilation by modifying the dataset properties. To access the dataset, go to MagiCAD ventilation in the main menu and to the left, modify dataset. We press that, and we see all the components that is included in the dataset so far. If we want to add a supply air here, a supply air device, an air terminal or something like that, we can go down here in the bottom, right click and choose new. Then we come into the a separate form that we have to fill in to for the component we are installing. We can go in and choose a product, select product with product browser. This is what we're going to do now. Choose that one, and we'll see that we come into the a browser that is has all components that is available for ventilation devices in MagiCAD. So, for instance, if we are going to install an air terminal from Swegon, for instance, we can see here we have one way, two ways, three ways diffusers and four-way diffusers. This time I'm gonna install a two-way diffuser. I would like to have one that has the connection in the side, and we see here we can find the diagram for flow and pressure drop, also the properties for the different models that they have. So if you go in, find what you need, press select, and we see that we can fill in rest of the form here. To be able to install this air terminal, we have to choose a 2D symbol. We can use an arrow like this, unfilled for instance, that shows that it is open. We should also select the user code. For example, we can use SW01 for a Swegon diffuser, like that, and then we press OK, and we see that this is it is included in the bottom of this list. We can now close this. Just see that we didn't have any from Swegon from before. We close it, and if we want to install that one, we go to install product again. In the bottom of the list we find it here. We see that the flow is far too high for this one, so we have to either increase it. We see all the models here, or we have to reduce the flow. Let's say we reduce the flow to 50 or even 40. Maybe I should go down to 20 actually. We see that we have then a pressure drop of below 100 Pascal. We can use that. We are down to 80.1. So we have full control of the pressure drop and the velocity in this air terminal. You can choose to select here. It's creating the family. We see the installation level here. We use just a free location. Let's say we put it in here. Maybe we need 2, like that. Apply and escape twice when we are happy with that. If we want to, we see that it is, we now have the connection at the left. If we want to turn that around, we just press the space bar at our keyboard and we turn it 90 degrees. If we want to know, just let me use this as an example. I will make a connection here now, and we see that it has a lot of bands here. We see that from from above here. We can use this one as another example. If I go into properties here, I can find the MC connection elevation. That is 2575. So if I want to have a straight duct into this connection, I have to find the center point here. I can then use diameter 100, that's correct, but I can change that to 2575. That is the middle elevation of the this air terminal. I go into 3D ventilation now and have a look at that. You see the difference here. This one is going straight out and that one is going down. So that is actually a good way to find this, to include more products to the dataset. Use MagiCAD ventilation, modify dataset, supply air device, new, select with product browser. We find the product we need in the product browser. We see we have a lot of products here from different suppliers, so it shouldn't be difficult to find what we need. However, we also have another method that I will go through afterwards. That is MagiCAD Connect. So until next session, see you then.